Unboxing the Sony HT-A7000, this box is massive. Sleek, minimalist design catches my eye immediately. Let's pull out the soundbar. Wow, it's slim and premium. Multiple built-in speakers line the front and top. Here's the integrated subwoofer. No extra clutter needed. HDMI, USB, LAN ports. Connectivity for any setup. Remote control feels intuitive, easy to grip. I'm pairing it with my Bravia TV. Setup is seamless. Plug-in power up. Sound field optimization starts automatically. It calibrates to my room. No manual tuning required. First impression, setup is super easy, even for beginners. Let's test some music. High-res audio sounds crystal clear. Bass is deep, dialogue is sharp, no distortion. Trying Dolby Atmos demo. Audio envelopes the entire room. Vertical surround engine creates immersive overhead effects. S-Force Pro front surround widens the soundstage. 360 Spatial Sound Mapping is next level with the rear speakers. Everyone in the room gets the sweet spot experience. Switching to gaming, plugging in my PS5 via HDMI. Supports 4K 120Hz and 8K passthrough, no lag at all. Fast-paced gameplay feels more intense with surround sound. Explosions, footsteps, ambient effects, so realistic. Streaming Spotify via Wi-Fi, connection is instant. Bluetooth, Chromecast, AirPlay 2, stream from any device. Alexa and Google Assistant integration, hands-free controls. Alexa, play movie mode. Sound profile switches instantly. Testing immersive audio enhancement. Regular audio sounds upgraded. Even YouTube videos feel cinematic with this soundbar. Optional subwoofers and rear speakers, expandable for true surround. Sony SA-SW3 and SA-SW5 subwoofers look sleek and powerful. SA-RS3S and SA-RS5 rear speakers, modular and wireless. Customize your setup for any room size or layout. Soundbar blends perfectly with modern living room aesthetics. No messy wires, wireless connectivity keeps things clean. Wall mount option available for ultra-minimalist look. Remote lets you switch sources, modes, and audio profiles. Dedicated buttons for HDMI, Bluetooth, and immersive modes. Soundbar's build quality feels solid and durable. Black finish matches most TVs and furniture styles. Advanced audio, OTEC, Dolby Atmos, DTS:X, 360 reality audio. Every detail, from whispers to thunder, comes through clearly. Perfect for home theater enthusiasts craving immersion. Gamers will love the vivid visuals and responsive audio. Smart home users get seamless voice assistant integration. No more fighting for the best seat. Wide sweet spot. Sound adapts to your environment automatically. No complicated calibration, just plug in and enjoy. Streaming movies feels like a cinema experience. Dialogue stays clear even during loud action scenes. Music lovers, high-res and 360 reality audio are phenomenal. Subwoofer delivers punchy bass without rattling walls. Sidebeam tweeters add dimension to the sound. Up-firing speakers create real overhead effects. X-balanced speakers keep audio distortion free. I'm genuinely impressed by the immersive sound quality. Switching between movie, music, and game modes is instant. No lag, no dropouts. Wireless streaming is flawless. If you want premium audio, this is the soundbar to get. Ideal for modern homes, sleek, space-saving, and powerful. Easy to upgrade with modular rear speakers and subwoofers. Perfect for large or small rooms. Sound adapts automatically. Great for family movie nights or solo gaming sessions. If you're tech-savvy, you'll love the smart features. If you hate complicated setups, this is a dream. Warning, you may never want to use regular TV speakers again. Highly recommended for anyone serious about home entertainment. Ready to upgrade your audio? Check out the Sony HT-A7000. Link in description. Grab yours and experience true immersion. Thanks for watching. Let me know your thoughts below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and for more reviews.